Politicking with the competition, what's the word? Put that on my mama, nigga, 8 in the process. Nigga tryna take a toe through the progress. Tongue tied when the truth is an object. What's the pros and the cons of this next check? Wasn't nobody round, I was independent. In the 97 bomb with the windows tinted. Had a bomb, got a strap in the pocket. With a fuck like in the party. Beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself when I put it to the side. Mama had to cater for the coupe that we rode at the school on the way to Popeyes. And niggas wanna play both sides, just a red dot, don't get on the wrong red eye. It's a headshot, and we can't woo them guys. Fuck around and bury 2 of them guys. I'm OD in Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I